Now let's talk about filter flow. So what filter flow actually is. If I go to the data model, I have created a new layout with this three data actually. So in the all tables, I have all the data. So I have created a new layout. You can also create a new layout. All you need to do is click on this plus button. Then I want this sales data. I want the sales return data. And then what I want is the territories key. So if I take this, now you will see that whatever the relationship was between these three tables are now shown in this tab. Now, if you look at this relationship line carefully, you will see there is a arrow in between them, right? And this arrow is now pointing towards AW sales data, from territories to AW sales data. And same for this one as well. If you look at this data, AW sales return, you will see from AW territories the filter is going towards this one. Now what we can learn from this, let me go to the dashboard. So here you see I have created one table. So what I have done here is I have taken from AW sales data, I have taken order quantity. You can see the order quantity in here. Then I have taken the return quantity in here, and then the territory key from sales return, not from the territories data but from the sales return data. I have taken the territory key. So here you see the return quantity which is coming from the sales return table is showing properly. So for this one we have the return quantity as 270. But you see for the order quantity it is same for all the rows. That means that this data, AW sales return data, cannot filter AW sales data. Why it is happening? If I go to the model again, so here you see from the territories key we have a relationship between AW sales and territories, and the filter flow is towards AW sales, and same with this one. But we don't have any relationship, or we don't, this relationship, or this filter is not flowing towards this and towards this. So we need to actually understand how this filter flow works. So right now the way the filter flow is, that is territory key can filter AW sales returns, and it can also filter the AW sales. But AW sales right now cannot filter the AW sales and returns, or AW sales return cannot filter the AW sales. This is because of this filter flow. Now if I change this territory key, if I just uncheck this one, and if I take the territory key from the territories data, you will see the changes. So now you see the return quantity as well as the order quantity is working, but previously it was not working. Now if I change it back again, you see this is not working. Now why this is not working, I believe you have understood now how you can make it work. So you see, what you need to do is you need to create a filter flow that works both the sides. If I make this filter both sides, what will happen is sales territory can filter this one, sales return, and sales return can also filter sales territory lookup, and sales territory lookup, and this filter will go towards this one. Let me quickly do this. So I will go to properties, and then I will make it, you see there is a cross filter direction. I will make it both the sides. So if I make it both, and if I click on OK, then now you will see that this filter, this line is territory key to sales return, and sales return to territory key to AW sales as well, because this is going like this. If I take this arrow going like this, and then it is coming down to this as well. So now indirectly the sales return is connected with AW sales data. Let me go to the report, and then now you see this is working. The order quantity is now working, and if I go back again and if I change it to single again, if I make it single and if I click OK, if I go to the report again, you see now it is not working. So this is how this filter flow works. I hope you have understood.